everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to another exercise session, Informal Contractions Quiz. So, let's dive in. This test what you learned on your informal contractions lesson. Number 1. We only use informal contractions when blank casually. A. Reading. B. Writing. C. Speaking. Answer is letter C. We only use informal contractions when speaking casually. Number 2. You can use informal contractions if you're A. At a business meeting, B. In a job interview, C. With your friends. Answer? It's letter C. You can use informal contractions if you're with your friends. Number 3. How is the informal contraction of going to usually written? A. Gone to. B. Gonna to. C. Gonna. Answer its letter C. Gonna. Number 4. The contraction watcha is often used as the start of A. A question, B. An answer, C. A statement. Answer its letter A. The contraction watcha is often used at the start of a question. Number 5. How is the informal contraction of what are you going to do written? A. What you gotta do. B. What you gonna do. C. What do you gonna do? Answer is letter B. How is the informal contraction of what are you going to do written? What you gonna do? All right. Number 6. Which is the shortest common contraction of do you wanna go or do you want to go? A. Do you wanna go? B. You wanna go? C. Wanna go? Answer is letter C. Which is the shortest common contraction of do you want to go? It's wanna go. Number 7. The policeman held him down. So the boy yelled, blank go. A. Lemmy. B. Gonna. C. Gimme. Answer is letter A. The policeman held him down. So the boy yelled, let me go. Number 8. After being jailed for something he didn't do, the boy said, A. It ain't wrong. B. It ain't right. C. It's kinda right. Answer is letter B. After being jailed for something he didn't do, the boy said, it ain't right. Number 9. Donnie hadn't given me a donut. So I said, ain't ya blank blank one? A. Gonna gimme. B. Wanna let me. C. Gonna wanna. Answer is letter A. Donnie hadn't given me a donut. So I said, gonna give me one. Number 10, last item. Should informal contractions be used when writing essays and doing exams? A. Yes. B. No. C. Kinda. Answer is letter B. It's a big no. Should informal contractions be used when writing essays and doing exams? It's a no. That's all for this exercise about informal contractions. Let us know how you did in the comments below. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel English Tutor Hub. Thanks for watching.